Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is TAV here. If you use Internet Download Manager, I have a quick update for you. The latest version just dropped, IDM's version 6.43 build 7, and it's released on July 22, 2026. So this is another small but useful maintenance update from Tonek. The main fix in build 7 is that they have fixed a problem that was causing IDM download panel not to appear on some websites. That's the key change in this specific build. Looking at the recent 6.43 series, the developer have been steadily polishing the software. Here is a quick recap of the important fixes from the latest few builds. In build 6, released on July 18th, this one, they fixed a bug that occurred when converting TS video files to MP4. And on July 11th, they fixed a bug that sometimes caused Windows Explorer to crash, improved the download panel visibility on more websites, and resolved proxy VPN related issues that were preventing the download this video panel from showing or triggering 403 errors on certain websites. So overall, the 6.43 series have been focused on better video detection, more reliable panel appearance, smoother TS to MP4 conversions, and improved stability with proxies and VPNs. So if you are still on older build, updating to 6.43 build 7 is recommended, especially if you have been having issues with the download panel not showing up or problems with video conversions. This update is small, quick to install, and keeps IDM running smoothly with websites and streaming services. So if you go here under IDM in check for updates, under help, you will see this new build 6.43 build 7 release. So I'm going to update it now. Read the license agreement carefully and then accept the terms and condition in the license agreement. Once done, hit finish. Now your IDM is updated to latest version, and where you can check under help section in about section, and you will see the latest version 6.43 build 7 is correctly updated. So that's it for this update. Let me know in the comments which version you are currently using and whether the panel issue was affecting you. If you found this video helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more software updates. Thanks for watching. Stay fast with your downloads and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.